classes. This is Vanita Ashok here. We're going to wait for more people to come in. So slowly people are joining in and we'll wait for more people to come. But those who are already here with me, you're not going to waste your time. Time is very precious and let's make good use of the time that is available. Right now, plenty. Cross your right leg over the left, sit tall. Stay there. Hands in Chin Mudra. Here. Relax. Breathe out. You stay there. I would like to just go and see if the comments are coming in. Okay? Stay there. Hold it, hold it. No wasting time in Vanita Ashok's class. No comments yet. Good. It is also said time is equal to money. Right now, no money for anybody. Stay. Keep this leg at 90 degrees. Don't tilt it. Don't tilt it. Okay? 90 degrees. Stay. Now slightly go forward. One straight line. One straight line. Slightly go forward. You cannot see me right now because of the bend. Gently. And remember to go down. Yeah, straight. Change the leg. We have not started the class, guys. Those who have come in new are doing a stretch. Okay, stretching their lower back and gluteal muscle. Hands in Chin Mudra, tall. Abhi this gluteal muscle is stretching. Hold it for some time and then go forward. Forward. Breathe out. Good. Stay there. Repeat it. Keep repeating it. Okay? So people will come forward and I'll try to find a slot here where you can see my face. And let's go. Very good evening. This is Vanita Ashok here, and in 5 minutes 56 seconds we will be starting the quiz, and you will learn a lot during this quiz. And it's not just about coronavirus; it's about so many other things that will help you manage the quarantine situation right now. And also with participation. The participation is very important, and I want you to play all the quiz possible. Okay, throughout the day that it happens, because right now you would have seen, there are lots of messages that are coming in. You're in this position, you're in that position, So as messages are right, try to reach the top position. You can do it, and your contribution will help us at Goki to make a donation of masks and sanitizers to the frontline warriors and Shoppage Badraya. And the numbers of COVID infected numbers are also going up. In each region it is different. Please stay home. Please show your patriotism. Now is the time to show your patriotism. Have you seen Borders May? There are Jawans, who are holding the gun, which is heavy. Trust me. I'm into rifle shooting also. Training kiya hai humne, and I know how heavy that is. Okay, and the kind of rifles they hold is like even more superior. And unfavorable conditions may hours together they wait like this, guarding. If they are taking so much trouble, can't you sit in a house? Okay, where AC is there, music hai, entertainment hai, family members hai, खाने पीने को मिल रहा है. What more do you want? Patriotism वहाँ पे वो दिखा रहा है with an unfavorable condition, and you should show it in favorable condition. You can do it. ठीक है? बढ़ गया है May 3rd तक, and don't worry, at Goki entertainment ही entertainment है. There's lots of things to read. Quiz खेल सकते हो, and we have lots of interesting talks happening. And fitness classes चल रहा है, diet classes चल रहा है, recipes, all healthy. Mind, body, spirit, सब healthy. Okay? And yoga nidra, meditation, and then we also have a person who plays these drums, okay, at night, so which will help you sleep better. So apart from that, we have lots of pep talks happening here on Goki to cope with the situation. आज का topic है anti-anxiety exercises. Anxiety बढ़ रहा है. There are some people who are not strong here. तो इसी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, but थोड़ी देर के बाद. And I'm going to say hello to all the people who are here. And I also want to tell you we have another competition running. and that is your participation in the classes. How many classes you attend, and the longer you watch it. अगर 2 minute watch किया चला गया, then your points will not go up. ठीक है? That is also happening parallelly. So if you want more details about the COVID quiz that is happening, and that is called Quiz Corona, okay, Karona, and then about the competition, healthy competition, check out the homepage for all the details. I'm coming up there to read all the names who who have said hi to me. देखते हैं किस किसने हाय बताया हमको. And hey, Nakshatra Reddy, I like that. Vanita kya hai? Vanita hai. I like your name, Nakshatra. And Shubodh and Nakshatra. That's right, I got it right. Abhishek, Raut, Vidhul, and Gurjinder, Marikanti. Very good evening. Ashutosh, good evening. And Nageshwar Rao. Hi, everybody knows you, Nageshwar Rao. All of us coaches know about you. Then Sarika Hegde, hey, long time no see, how are you? Then we have Smita Jha and Vinesh Chandra. Good evening. Shiva Ganesh, Bhupinder, Tharun, Manoj. All right. And the clock is clicking, and we have a little more time left. And those who joined in late, for early birds who are coming early, I told them to get into a figure 4 stretch. This takes care of your butt, gluteal, which was sleeping, and and the lower back. Go forward. Go forward and stay there. Sturdy chair hona chahiye. Okay, we have another 1 minute 28 seconds for the quiz to start. So my name is Vanitha Ashok, Wanitha Ashok. I'm from Bangalore, and I've been in this profession from past 17 years. And I'm very passionate about getting my country fit, strong and healthy. And the right way. Okay, wrong way bhi hai, but right way. So, some more highs coming out there. After that I won't speak for a long time. इसके बाद एकदम क्लास शुरू करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? And Surabhi, Manoj, Dattatreya, Sharika. Okay, I'm doing good, my dear. Busy but indoors. Then Somashri. Good afternoon, everybody. Vanitha ma'am, to you too. And good evening. Good morning, kisne bola? Ha ha. Come on, Suresh, wake up, wake up. All right. Time's clicking. And we're ready to go. All the best for the quiz. Okay? Soch samajh ke answer karna. Soch samajh ke. I would like to see all your names, reaching the top. Notification mein aata hai humko. All right? Bring more people to go ki, okay? Abhi chahiye. Aaj ka topic is so important. I would like to see you right after the quiz. And anti-anxiety exercise. Go ahead, play guys. If you are here without joining the quiz, or if you're watching the class a little later, I want you to do one more stretch. Extend, lift it up as high as you can. Go play the quiz. Go play the quiz. Okay, hold it for 30 seconds. Good evening, Gookie family. Shiv Kumar. once again to everybody. This is Monica Ashok here, and I'm your Gookie Fitness coach for this hour. And I love getting my country fit strong and healthy. And trust your quiz was enjoyable. You learned a lot. And thanks for your contribution. You contributed? Yes, you did. Okay, and your participation in the quiz is very important because this will go as donation. We'll be buying masks and sanitizers for frontline warriors, and this is happening. It's an initiative by Gookie app. So I am going to be talking about anti-anxiety exercises today. Very, very important right now, and there are a lot of people who are going through stress, and stress will lead to lots of lifestyle disease. Anxiety is, being worried, overly worried. आज दूध नहीं आया, worry, panic attack, anxiety, sweatiness, palpitations. You're not able to take it, and this will lead to gastric. That will lead to gastric. So if you are suffering from gastric and anxiety, it's a bad combination. And especially if you are a senior citizen, this combination is very, very bad because you can't differentiate between a heart attack, or this anxiety level. So please calm down. It doesn't matter. Life is not coming to an end, okay? No, it isn't. It's only thing our lifestyles have changed. So a lot of people could be having, anxiety because of some financial issues, relationship-wise or career-wise. Kuch bhi ho sakta hai. But we can't do. There's so many things that you cannot tackle. You cannot handle. It's not in your hands. Current situation, not in your hands. So only thing that you can do is wash your hands many number of times, use sanitizer if you go out for shopping essentials, and then stay at home. These are the things that which you can do at the moment. That's it. But inside Reiki, there are a lot of things that you can do. You can learn a lot of things. You can exercise. You can cook. You can bond with your family members, and you can bond with the Gookie family members. Okay, we're all a big family now. Okay. Can you see here what's written here? Breathe. Anxiety ke liye, the first thing that you have to do is breathe. Very, very important. Okay, so anxiety ka symptoms humne bata diya hai. What exercises can you do? So now, first one that I want to talk about is, there are some postures in yoga which will help address anxiety. And deep breathing exercises, yoga nidra, meditation, all these things will help ground you and bring you to the center, okay, and bring your anxiety levels down. Very important to address this issue, otherwise it becomes chronic. I already told you, if you are suffering from anxiety, panic attacks, you will end up with gastric problem. And that fear, unnecessarily you're putting your heart to stress. Don't do it. And again, your whole behavior changes. There's fear for nothing. If it's very chronic, very serious, please consult a doctor post lockdown. Otherwise, we have a couple of doctors here on Gookie app. You can talk to them privately and ask them please to help you out. Okay. But here, fitness ke hisab se, I will let you know what are the things that you can do. Yoga Nidra is something that we do regularly. Meditation that we do regularly here on Gookie app. It's held by various coaches. And meditation, of course, is done at 12 o'clock every day by Sri Ravi Shankar ji. So please attend that. If you have depression, problem, mood swings, anxiety and panic attack, okay? It is a must that you address it before it becomes worse. And then let us come to Omkara meditation, where you chant Om. Okay, you sit down comfortably, rest your back. Resting your back में क्या होता है? Discomfort कम होता है. So in the meditation pose, you can sit for a longer time. अगर cross leg नहीं हो सकता है, it's okay. You can leave it loose. Leave it loose. Have your hands in Chin Mudra, palms facing the ceiling, chin parallel to the floor. Keep your back straight and supported. So chant. Close your eyes. Gently, you should close your eyes. Forehead relaxed. Bring a smile on your face. Relax your facial muscles. And chant Omkara. Okay, chant Omkara slowly. You can either make it verbal or inside your head. So that we are not going to do that now, but I am giving you a variation. So just before going to bed, you can practice Omkara. So support your back, sit down, chant Om in your mind. If you're disturbing somebody, in your mind. Okay, if nobody is there around you, then it can be loud. Very soon you are going to be relaxed. You'll find your grounding, and then you'll be able to sleep better. Okay, and then let us come for the next pranayama, that is Brahmari. Brahmari is that humming bee. Very good exercise. You must practice it. Okay, and approach one of our Goki coaches. He'll be able to tell you in detail and probably make you do one session, or he's already done it. Okay, he and she, there are so many coaches. So Brahmari goes like that. It's a humming sound. Again, closed eyes, relax, smile on your face, and the longer you can do. But don't do like a motorbike. No, only one breath, and the longest that you can take that. This is also very good for your respiratory system. Right now, आप television देख रहे हो, नहीं तो Goki quiz खेल रहे हो, तो they are emphasizing on your respiratory health. How important it is to keep your chest congestion free and your respiratory tract clear. Okay, you have to build this efficiency and get it strong. So the other things that you can do is Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, we have wonderful classes here on Goki app taken by our coaches like Ronak and other people. So participate in that and go off to sleep. Okay, and then let's come to asanas. So, and also I would like to talk about one particular breathing technique. It's called 2-7-8 breathing technique. World famous. Okay. So, sorry, 4-7-8. 4 is inhale, 7 is hold, 8 is exhale. That means you take 4 counts to inhale, 7 counts you hold, 8 counts exhalation. Can we practice that? That we are going to do 3 times. Again, I'm going to go on the floor and sit in, you can sit in Padmasana if you want, Vajrasana if you want, or Sukhasana. I'm going to sit in Sukhasana. Fingers like this, and here, chin parallel. Okay? Now, all the comments that you see will disturb you. You will not be able to see me in the posture. Can you just push the comments? I said push kijiye side mein, so you can see every coach addressing the class. All the payments can be seen. Okay? I hope you have done that. I'm sitting in Sukhasana. We are practicing 4-7-8 breathing. Chin mudra. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes gently. Inhale for 4 counts. Inhale. Hold your breath for 7 slow counts. Exhale for 8 counts. Inhale. Hold. Exhale for 8 counts. We'll do that one more time. Inhale. Hold it for 7 counts. Exhale for 8 counts. Open your eyes. So you'll find your grounding, okay? Your center. You'll be a little more alert and you'll feel much better. So this is a very good practice. I think you should try it wherever you are, wherever or whenever. Okay? There is no time for this. Whenever you see the panic attack coming, start breathing, deep breathing exercises and practice 4-7-8 breathing technique. So now let's go for the next asana. This is called child pose. Child pose. Why? Because when you're on your mother's fetus, this is how you wear. So all crumbled up like that. Okay? So let's go for child pose. You have to sit in Vajrasana. If you have a problem sitting in Vajrasana because your knee hurts, you can make your knee wide. Okay? Knees wider, and you can also put a pillow here. Alright? A nice thick pillow, blanket, yoga mat, whatever. Put it there and then sit there. Then you can practice this. Okay? tall. Roll your shoulders back. Start walking with your hands forward. Try to rest your butt on the heel and surrender. Stay there. Breathe out. This is one of the variation. You all stay there. The other variation, if you have shoulder pain, then you can bring it back. Hold it. Don't come out of it. Hold it. When you are like this, observe your breathing. Don't hold your breath. You have to hold this asana for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay? I'm going to move on from this one and let's go. I have a lot of exercises to show you. So whatever suits you or your surrounding, you can choose that. Okay? Now let us go for Pilates Seal. Pilates Seal generally doesn't bring your anxiety level down, but it's like a happy movement. Feel good factor. Okay? And whenever I do it in my class, lots of my students enjoy doing it. Even the newbie will love doing it. And even an elderly person, like senior citizen also will love doing it. So Pilates Seal, I'm not applying the Pilates principles. There are 5 Pilates principles. I'm not applying. I'm just taking the movement. Okay? Sit here on the floor like this. Lift up your legs. Take your hands towards the ceiling. Pass it under. Okay? So seals को देखा है ना आपने? If not in real, Animal Planet में देखा हुआ होगा. The seals flap their fins, but we're going to flap our feet. ठीक है? That's good. It's very good for your lower back. Tension release करता है. An entire spine. Clap, clap. Go down. Clap, clap. Come on, roll up. Clap, clap. Go down. Clap, clap. Go up. Clap, clap. Go down. Clap, clap. Go up. Clap, clap. अगर इसका वेरिएशन दिखाए, ओके, ऐसा होता है. Clap, clap. Go up. Come down. Clap, clap. Go down. Clap, clap. Or you can do reverse. You can do clap, clap here. You can go up. Okay? Whichever you like. Whichever is comfortable for you. Come on. Feel good factor. Okay? So let's go for the next asana. It's called Happy Baby. You did it when you were a baby. Only thing you don't remember. Your mama remembers. Okay? So we're going to do a happy baby and rest. Take it up. That's it. Okay? Wide leg, knees are bent. Straight knee in. Knees are bent. Hold it. Stay there. Breathe out. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. Hold it for 10 more counts. And down. Okay? All stretches that I'm showing you, asanas that I'm showing you, have to be held for minimum 30 seconds, maximum 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how much time that you have and your flexibility and comfort. And if you are practicing on everyday basis, this will become comfortable. But if you are new, you'll be like uncomfortable, discomfort zyada hota hai, and then you will give it up. It doesn't matter. Slowly we can build it. Okay? So before I bring the chair, I'll do one more. Upward Namaste. Okay? Go all the way up. This is known for bringing your anxiety down. Very easy, hai na? Just feet together. If you have balance issues, then separate your legs. Okay? Separate your legs. Keep your knees soft. Elongate, lengthen. I want this entire lengthening to happen. This is very good for grounding, bringing your awareness to your body. Stay. If you are comfortable taking your head back, you can take it back. If you have vertigo, or if you feel giddy, or if you have balance issues, then look forward. Don't take your head back. Okay? We'll hold it for 10 counts. Decide how you want your leg to be. Breathe out. 10. Okay. Remember, 30 seconds to 1 minute and above. So next I would like you to get a chair. So the chair will be right in front of you. It's called chair Viparita Karani. Alright, this is level, basic level. So next we'll be going to the wall and we'll be doing various asanas there. So the chair Viparita Karani is like beginner level. Beginner level. इससे भी beginner चाहिए आप senior citizen हो or you have some fear about lifting up your legs so high, then you can use double pillows. One pillow over the other and put your legs up the way I am showing you. Alright? Be careful. Down. Okay? Hands का option देख लीजिए. You can see the chair. Okay. So suggestions भी दे रही हूँ मैं. One nice candle, aroma candle. Okay? Dim the lights. Play some nice music. YouTube में available है. Yoga music, meditation music type कर लीजिए and get into this asana. You will be relaxed. Viparita Karani is known to bring your anxiety levels down. Go down. Hands option. 1. Stay there. Hands for option 2. Hands option 3. Choose your option depending on your shoulder pain. Hands option 4. Hands option locked. I like this the best. This is very good for varicose veins. It reverses the blood flow. Good. Turn to your right and come back. Okay. Now guys, this is Viparita Karani using a chair. So very beneficial for people who stand for long hours or sit for long hours. Alright? When you put your legs up, the blood flow is in the reverse order, which of course reaches your brain and it lightens your brain, centralizes you, grounds you. And when you're standing for long hours, housewives in the kitchen, and bartan karna, cooking karna, chopping, so standing for long hours, right? So this will give you a lot of relaxation, stretches the muscles and improves the blood circulation and basically brings down the pain. And varicose veins, it greatly improves the blood circulation, which is very, very important. So for the wall asana, I'm going to just turn this so that you can see the wall. Okay? I'm going to bring the mat back here. And every morning I practice this. I do this for good looking legs to improve the blood circulation in my to my brain and face. Okay? I hope I am in the frame. You guys okay? So far so good? Understanding? I've given you so many options. So this is last 5 minutes. अगर कुछ questions हैं तो भेज दीजिए. And I have told you comments को push कीजिए, नहीं तो you will not be able to see the execution of the workout. I hope you can see me. You can. So I'm going to hold 10 counts for everything. हाथ का तो same है. One is like this. One is the Shavasana hands. The other one is like this. The other one is like this. The last one is like this. This is my favorite. It stretches very nicely all over. This also. Choose. According to your shoulder health, choose it. Okay? Go close to the wall. Go close to the wall and slide up. Slide up. Okay? Your hands, your butt should touch the wall. Butt should touch the wall. Choose your option, 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 option. I'm going to be like this because it's my favorite. Very good for anxiety level. I'm going to go on changing after 10 counts. So that you have a nice class, I'm not going to count loud. I'm going to count in my head. Okay? Option 2. Option 3. Option 4. Option 5. Lift your butt up now. Next option. Lower your butt. Hold it. Stay there. You can go back a bit now. Adjust yourself. Go back a bit. Feet hip width apart. Feet hip width apart. Stay there. Variation. Change your leg. Good. Now again change your leg and watch this variation. Watch this variation from here. Option, fall down. Okay? This has to be here and here. That's it. There's a nice twist here. There's a nice twist here. And there's a nice stretch on this side. Okay? Here, stay there. Other side. Center. One leg like this, one leg straight. Feel the nice stretch. Point your toes towards you. Change. In the end, drop to your right, rest for some time, and then either you can slide back and get into Shavasana. Shavasana is an excellent anti-anxiety exercise, okay, asana. So you can just let go, observe your breathing. With every inhalation, your stomach comes out. With every exhalation, your stomach goes down. So closed eyes gently. Bring your focus here and chant Omkara in your mind. Okay, observe your thoughts. These are the things that you can do. Very soon it will calm you down. Very, very important to address anxiety, depression, and there are ways of doing it. And first option should be to do it without medication. Exercises are there to help you. Why not make good use of it? Isn't it? So also, when you find yourself going through this anxiety, depression, and panic attacks, immediately recognize it, address it. Otherwise, it becomes chronic. So it is not shameful to talk about it. It's not shameful to talk about it. Come in the open and talk about it to your family members and friends, or reach out to us coaches. Okay, on Gokey app, and we will be able to guide you and tell you which coach would be the right coach to advise you. So each of us are specialized in one thing, right? For me, it is exercise. And also, when things are settled, if you can reach out to a doctor, go talk to them and have it sorted out. So in the extreme cases, you will have to you'll have to take medications, because anxiety can lead to many other issues, and therefore it is very important to address it. Deepika Padukone was the first actress who came out to open to talk about her depression. I appreciate that, and she was not shameful about it. She also, I think, has formed a group or asked people to form a group to reach out to one another and help one another. I showed you so many types of wall asanas, that is Viparita Karni, variations. Whatever suits you, you do it. Okay, because I exercise or because my flexibility is good, I am able to do so many things. There are so many people who will not be able to do so many kinds of asanas. So I am giving you variation. Choose whatever is best for you. Again, shoulder issues के लिए बहुत सारे options हाथ का भी हमने दिया था. So whatever is comfortable, hold that. Alright? So whenever you take your hands behind you, you get to stretch this entire region. And all these asanas, okay, especially the standing one, standing salute, opens your chest out, and it, is very good for your respiratory tract. Right now, respiratory health is very, very important. So trust you like the class. I have not seen any questions. I'd ask you to ask me any questions about this class or anything about fitness and weight loss. So if you are not able to type out now and you feel this question personal hai, to Arena mein you can send me a friend request and inbox me, okay? Message me on Goki app and I will be able to help you. If it's within my capacity, I will guide you, or I'll guide you to some other coach here on Goki app who can address your issue. So trust you enjoy the class, and go ahead, bring more and more people onto Goki classes. And Goki app, you are just giving them a gift of life. Right now, it is so important that we work out. Everybody is having a party at home. Every meal is a party. I see people's status update and they're just let go. They're like as in some resort, okay? And deep fried food and what nonsense, इतने सारे Chinese का ज़्यादा Chinese में soya sauce, all that has excess sodium, okay? And you cannot have Ajinomoto, soya sauce and all these Chinese wala thing, because it will not only make you fat, okay? And it is sodium, high sodium is not recommended. So go down on it. Go down on it and don't have a party. It's life as usual but indoors. You have to still exercise. You still have to eat right, eat on time, eat in moderation, drink plenty of water, whatever fruits and vegetables available, have it, and wake up early, sleep early dinner, de-stress. All this is important. We are going to get back alive. So when we get back alive, I want to look like a party animal, fit, strong, fit into all my clothes. What about you? That is the same way you feel too, okay? Like a rock star. So your skin is getting better now, your hair is getting better now, no chemicals, everybody is home, we don't have to put makeup, we don't have to put hair dye, nothing. So enjoy that. We are never going to get that back. We are never going to live a life like this indoors. No. We have to go back and make up and drama, sab kuch shuru ho jayega. So allow your skin to breathe, your hair to, rejuvenate, your whole system to rejuvenate. It. Always look at the brighter side of a situation. There's so much to learn, isn't it? Alright. So I'm going to sign off now. I want you to run along and play the next quiz, and I'm going to see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all those hearts. Be the force. Get it, and you're with me, Manita Ashok.